It's Monday, May 12th, as you can see by the paper. We are leaving the house today to get the floors done. We'll be out of the house for 5 days till Friday. I wanted to take inventory of the fridge. No dents, no scratches. Everything's good. Alright. Living room. The floors look pretty good now, but they're going to repair an area here in the dining room, living room archway, and over here. All right. Going into this is the area they've already repaired. The preliminary sanding. They'll be getting back in the broom closet, in the laundry fridge area, and then they will be putting in a threshold. The back floor will be slate tile as the front door. So now we're going to take inventory of the cabinets. There is no damage. Dishwasher spot, sink cabinet. Make sure we get all this. They are going to wrap it either, most likely in blue tape on the seams. He said because sometimes the plastic will suck into the machines. No damage. And the pantry, no damage. Alright. So, it's looking good now. It's going to look great when we're done. It's been a long process. And Chase is in the back. He's going to be going to Rita's. And that's it.